Now guys, one detail here is this Lexus created this adjustable seat belt for the belt. If you see down here, welcome, and we have the car of the day. Let's take a look. Okay guys, we're gonna proceed to remove the front seats for this Lexus, and you're gonna need a 14mm socket and your clip puller. And as I always recommend guys, deflate the lumbar support. Be sure there is no pressure in the lumbar support. It's easy for the upholstery. And let's remove the headrest. We're gonna tilt down the lean back so we can get the headrest off. And once we have that guys, we're gonna put this back into an angle that it doesn't really is gonna be interfering with this section of the upholstery when we are to remove the covers. Now the ideal position is to lift it all the way up always, and we want to move it backwards so we can access the front bolts. It's only 4 bolts guys, they're 14mm, and this is for the IS Lexus 250 and the 350 guys. Now if you look closely here guys, the way you're gonna be doing these covers, you're gonna get your clip puller, and if you see right there, there is a little tab. You just pry on it and click up, and there you go. Same here. There you have it, and that's it. And then you have access to your 14s. You just take them out, and we're gonna do the same in the rear. I'm gonna move all the track all the way forward so we can access the rear bolts. Okay, right here guys, this is slightly different. But it's more or less the same process. Watch how I'm gonna do. I just pry here and it comes out. Let's do here. I'm going like this, and then I twist it a little bit so I can release the clip. Now I've been telling you this guys, and it's for all the vehicles that we do. So when we move the track back, we just don't want the track to stick out too much. We're gonna let it go between the perimeter of the seat, just like that. You have an idea, more heat in the front, and we can slide it like that, because now we want to work in the electrical. And guys, this is a Toyota basically, so it's no different than any other Toyota. So we have, you can do it by the hand, but this is one clip right here. This one is already loose. We have the airbag here. With the airbag, you just kind of retract this section right here. It does it. This one right here is just a clip that you press even with your finger. And the third one, it was that one. Now we have this one right here. We have to get it out of the truck, just like that. And that's all your electrical, guys. Now the thing can come out out of the car. I'll continue with the rear section, guys. If you have any question, please put it in the comments. Okay guys, to remove this cushion, you just have to pull it hard up. So normally it goes into this clip. You just grab it from here and pull up, and it's gonna release this clip right here. It's just a little clip down there, same in the other side, and you just get your cushion off the seat belts. It's that simple, guys. Now we're gonna have to see, we have one, I think it's a 13 here, and one in the other side, plus one over here. We have, actually we have 4. So one, and they're 12. They're 12 millimeters. 2, 3, and 4. Now guys, it doesn't seem like you have anything else holding it. It should pry right up. And there you have it, it's out. So as you saw, you just pull up and then pull forward. Now guys, one detail here is this Lexus created this adjustable seat belt for the belt. If you see down here, there is a little hole in this one, and this actually has another one right there. You're just gonna pry that guys, so you can get the seat belt off. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. But basically, once you pry that hole right there and that one over there, it will release this section. Let me show you in the other side. So this is what is gonna happen. Once you pry that section, this will release like this, so you can have your seat belt out. So that's the process. Unfortunately, I cannot demonstrate with one hand. I need the other one in the tripod. But that's the idea, guys. Once you get those off, then you can take it out.